Welcome to this tutorial on presenting your PowerPoint presentation in full screen mode. Begin by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. It is important to locate and open the file that contains your presentation. You may find your presentation by browsing through your files or by using your computer's search function. Once the presentation file is open, take a moment to ensure that your slides are arranged properly and that any images, text and animations appear as intended. After confirming that your presentation is ready to go, move your attention to the organization of the content within PowerPoint itself. Navigate to the specific section or slide deck that you want to share with your audience. Reviewing your slides before presenting can help you spot and correct any minor issues, and it also helps you become familiar with the flow of your material. This step is essential in preparing yourself to deliver a smooth and engaging presentation. When you are satisfied with your presentation, direct your focus to the screen. At the bottom right of the PowerPoint interface, you will find a button labeled with the term that signifies a complete immersive viewing experience. Clicking this button will transform your slides into a full screen format, which is ideal for delivering a professional and distraction-free presentation to your audience. The full screen mode effectively hides the editing tools and other on-screen elements, leaving only your slides visible to your viewers, thereby creating a clean and focused environment. An alternative method to launch the full screen presentation is available as well. Instead of navigating to the bottom right button, you can press a specific key on your keyboard. Pressing the F5 key initiates the same full screen slideshow mode. This shortcut can be particularly useful if you are comfortable with keyboard commands or if you want to streamline the process of starting your presentation quickly. Using the F5 key is a time-efficient approach that many presenters appreciate for its simplicity and convenience. With your presentation now in full screen, you can proceed to guide your audience through your content seamlessly. The transition into full screen mode helps capture and maintain the attention of your audience, as it minimizes any potential distractions that may arise from other open programs or desktop notifications. Remember to use your arrow keys or the navigation controls provided on the screen to move from one slide to the next, ensuring a smooth progression through your presentation. This detailed explanation should assist you in confidently presenting your PowerPoint slides in full screen mode. By following each of these steps, you ensure that you have a professional setup that enhances the viewing experience for your audience. Enjoy your presentation and the clarity that comes with this effective full screen display setup.